Under federal recommendations, CU's Office of Discrimination and Harassment can find a student guilty of sexual assault if there is a 51% certainty that they did it. Those accused of sexual assault are usually men, but due to recent instances of sexual assault at schools such as the University of Virginia, we now peg fraternity men in particular to be at fault. Senior Danielle Dorr just finished her term as Panhellenic president. She thinks the blame put on fraternity men is unjustly placed.
There's so many possibilities of people that can commit sexual assault, so it's not fair to anyone by generalizing a group of people.
But according to Denver-based criminal defense attorney and CU alum Elisa Moran, in the eyes of the law, men are usually presumed guilty.
Well, in a lot of ways, it's similar to what's happened with child accusations. You know, there's the phrase, believe the children, and it's sort of similar to that in rape accusations. You believe the woman because the theory is, why would a woman bring these kind of charges unless it was true?
On college campuses, sexual assault claims are handled as civil, not criminal proceedings. While schools determine guilt based on a 51% chance the assault occurred, many are now facing an eruption of lawsuits from men who say they were wrongly accused, including one at CU-Boulder that was settled last week. The university agreed to pay $15,000 to a male student who filed a Title IX lawsuit. In the past 3 years alone, men found responsible for sexual assault have filed more than 36 cases against schools for violation of due process and civil rights. Rules to punish alleged perpetrators of sexual assault are often governed by the term affirmative consent, an attempt by administrators to remove all the ambiguity from sex. Senior Taylor Williams says he now understands how careful he needs to be when it comes to conviction at the hands of Title IX.
We do talk about the repercussions of it. I feel like we keep each other in check and make sure to watch ourselves around alcohol and women.
Danielle was involved in the making of CU-Boulder's It's On Us sexual assault prevention video, a response to the White House's newest campaign to stop sexual violence.
We wanted to let the university know and let CU students know that we as a Greek system are not for sexual assault and we're not going to stand for it.
As the It's On Us video continues to spread, they ask students, friends, and colleagues to hold each other accountable to prevent sexual assault. Reporting for News Team Boulder, I'm Alexandra Pash.
Sexual assault is unacceptable.
Never blame the victim.
Take the pledge to become